Good morning to all, and I am Preeti Chaudhary. I am a assistant professor from IT department in Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So today I will discuss in this lecture about the binary search tree (BST) and also discuss about the how to construct the BST and insertion and traversing. Will discuss in this lecture. So there are some topics today I will discuss in this lecture. First one is what is BST, what is BST, what is binary search tree, and how to construct this. Advantage of BST, searching algorithm in BST, insertion in BST, and after that complete BST I will discuss about the tree traversing, means types of tree traversing: in order, pre-order, post-order. After that I will discuss about the construct of binary tree using in order, pre-order, and post-order. At the end we will discuss the example of this tree traversing. So first one is binary search tree. What is the BST? BST means binary search tree. Binary search tree can be defined as a special case of binary tree in which each node n has a following property. Means each node means it is the main node and also we can say that root node. This one is root node. So this node n has following property. First one is all the value of left subtree will be less than the value of node n. It means all left subtree means we take example here. First one, this is a root. This is called a simple binary tree. What is the binary tree? Binary tree means is a have 1 and 2 and at most 2 child in a tree is called a binary tree. But in a BST tree said that this is called a left subtree of this node and this is called a right subtree of this main node, root node. So it means left subtree will be less than the value of node n. Node n means root node. And all value on right subtree. Right subtree, it means this one is right subtree. In right subtree will be greater. All values in node have all value is greater than root node. This one, according to this diagram is represent the binary search tree. So this is a root node and this is called a left subtree and this is called a right subtree. This whole tree is called a BST. So all values in this left subtree, all values is 90 is less than to root node, yes. 92 also less than 100, yes. 80 is also less than 100, yes. So all in left subtree is value is less than root node. So same thing is here. All in right subtree all value is greater than root node, means 110 is greater than, okay, 15 is again greater than 10, yes, and 112 is again. Now further divide this BST, again it is called a BST. This one is left subtree and this one is right subtree for this n node. So it is less than, yes, to root node and it is greater than to root node. Same further here we discuss this is also called a BST part, and again this is a subtree and this is a right it is a left subtree and this is a right subtree. So same condition, same property, there 105 is less than 10, it is a n, means parent node, n node. A same property apply here. 105 is less than 10 and right subtree is 112. 112 is greater than 110. So this whole tree is called a binary search tree. Now advantage comes to the advantage of BST. So there is what the advantage. First one is searching operation is very efficient. It take tree, this time complexity is used. Second one, in worst case, it take the order of n. Means if you find any number in your BST, so if your number is present in last node, then in worst case, it take the order of n time. And it also improve the efficiency insertion and deletion operation. So searching become is very efficient because here, if you want to any number in BST, so first of all, your number which you want to search, so first one is this number is compare your root node. If this number is less than, then it comes to left side. But your inserted number and your searching number is greater than 200 and it comes to right side. So remaining other part is totally skip. Means if your number is 105 and you want to search this number in given this BST. So first of all, this 105 compare this number 100. After that check this is greater or less. Yeah, it is greater. Then it comes to right side. So totally left side part is totally skip. So it comes to 105 is here. Now check 105 is greater to 100, so comes to left side. Left side is this. Now check again. 105 is greater than and less than to 110. So it is less than. Then where it is come? It will come to left side. So now it is checked. This number is matched here. So number is easily find. So we can say, so in this way we can say that the searching operation become is very efficient. Now construct a BST. So how to construct a BST? Take an example here. First one is each number. Here are the some values and these are the some keys are given and using one by one. So first of all we take the step 1. According to this, first key is use simple as a root node. After that comes to the second number. Now check this number is greater than and or less than according to property of BST. So if second number is greater than and it comes to, it will the right side. Otherwise it will come left side. So check is 90. 90 is less than or greater than? Greater than. So it comes to the right side here. Okay. So next third point is 60. First of all, this number is check your root node. After that it will decide where it will come, left side or right side. So first of all 60 is the check root node is 80. So it is a less than and it will come left side. Got it? Now come to 120. 120 again check here root node 80 greater than 120. So 120 is greater than to 80, then it comes to right direction and it is called a left side and it is right side of this tree. So 120 and 120 is check again root is 120 is greater than to 80, so it will come to right side and right side again it is also defined as a simple node. Again check is this 120 is greater than 19, so again it will come right side of 90. Okay, now check 100 again check root node is greater than 100, so comes to right direction. Now here it is working as a simple node. Again check 100, this number 90, so 100 is greater than 90 and it will come again right side, but again this number is used as a simple n node, So and 120 checked with 100. So 100 is less than to 120. So it will come to left direction 100. Okay. Now comes to 75. So according to 75 where it will come? First of all, check the root node 80. So less than, here comes. So left side it will come. So after that 60, 75 is greater. So right side of 60 it will come. Got it? Now next number is 25. 25 again check root node. It left side it will become left or right? It come left. After that 25 again check is 60. 25 is less 60. So it will come left side of this node. Means node is what? 60. Now 25 will come here. At last node is 45. So 45 where it will come? Firstly check 45. 45 depend the same things. Firstly apply the root node, then move left or right direction according to these two conditions which I previously explained you. Then so again it 45 check 80. So it will come left side. Again 45 again here check 60. 45 is less. Again comes to 25 left side. Now 25 is as a simple node and node. So you can check again 45 with 25. So 25 is 45 is greater. So it will come right side of 25. So in this way we construct a BST given keys. So these are the keys and this is a BST, binary search tree. Now check binary search tree. Searching, what is searching, how to searching, find out. It is called also pseudocode and algorithms of searching in BST. Let's suppose we take an example here. So first of all you use this function search item in BST. First of all, we take the two parameter. First parameter it is root and second parameter is item. Root means first of all any item you want to search in your BST. So you compare first one is root with root. So there we take the two main parameter we using in searching item. First one is check. First of all we take example here. Same 80, 60, 90, 95, 93, 100, 45 and 75. So according to this is a example of a BST. Same both two condition apply here. Ki all left subtree is less than to root node and all right subtree is greater than to root node. So according to this diagram, I am using this diagram for searching operation. So searching operation, first of all check. First condition is root equal to null, means there is a tree. But if first condition is occur there is a no tree. First, no tree means no node is available in tree is called a no tree. Means tree is your null form. So if root equal to null means your main node is not present in your tree, it means root equal to null, then display BST is empty, means no node is present in your tree. So simply you show this line BST is empty and go to step 3. Step 3 means out the program. You are come out the program. Otherwise, the first condition is here and according to second condition, repeat step A to C while root node is not null. It means any node is present in your BST. So root does not equal to null. First condition is root equal to null, and second condition is root does not equal to null. It means any value या any node is presented in your BST. Now check if item is what? Item is searching number, searching key. Yes, searching number, which number you want to search in your BST. So item is this. Now check root data. This item, let's suppose you want to search 90. Okay, you want to search 90 from this given BST. So first this item is what? 90. Item is 90. So 90 is check root data. Root data is 80. If 90 equal to root data, no. 90 is not, no. So it comes to here. Okay. But your item is 80. Let's suppose we take example another. Your item is 80. Searching item. Now 80 is root data. Yes. Root data is what? 80. And item is what? 80. Both equal. 80 equal to root data. Yes. Then display item is found. First condition is here. But second condition, your item number is 90. Second condition, your item is number is 90. So according to this, you will come this B part. Now check item is less than root data, या item is greater than to root data. Means item is what? 90. Our searching key is 90. Now item is less. अगर item हमारा छोटा है किससे? root data. root data is what? 80. अगर छोटा है then it will come left side of this BST. But अगर हमारा otherwise root में कहा जाएगा ये root के right में, right side. It means data is here. Check again 90 check this condition is here and 90 is greater than then root. तो ये कहाँ move हो जाएगा? right, root के right में. Check again here searching operation apply again same this process here this to this condition is occur many times where जब तक कि आपको आपका searching point नहीं मिल जाता. So this algo is called a searching algo and this is a pseudocode used in a interview times. Now comes to the insertion. Insertion means you have a BST and now you want to insert new number in your BST. Then follow some rules. First of all, check if item is inserted in already present or not. Means you have a BST. This is the BST part. Also, this is called a BST because here the these all number is used as a priority base. This all alphabet is here used as a priority base. These all is called a left subtree and this is called a right subtree and this is your root node. Okay, and see all values of left subtree will come before F and this right side all values come after F. So this is made as a priority basis. So first of all, check means you want to insert a new number. First, you want to insert a H. So according to this diagram, H is already presented. So first check if item to be inserted is already present. Then take a two pointer. First pointer is location LOC and second pointer is PAR. PAR means parent node. So both have hold the address of different node. First one is location. Location is a pointer which contain the address of element which is already presented. For example, LOC store the address of this node. Okay. And PAR it contain the address of parent node of location. So location node is this और इसका parent node क्या हुआ? F. तो ये क्या करेगा? यहाँ पे तो LOC है जो प्रेजेंट नोड के एड्रेस को होल्ड करके रखा है, और यहाँ क्या है, एफ, एफ किसको रखा है, इसके नोड के एड्रेस को, ठीक है। तो ये पेरेंट नोड है जिसने किसका एड्रेस होल्ड किया हुआ है, एलओसी का। नाउ चेक इफ एलओसी डज नॉट इक्वल टू नल, इट मीन्स एलओसी, एलओसी मीन्स व्हाट, presented number. If LOC does not equal to null, the item is present in BST. Okay, item is present in BST, and if present equal to null, parent node equal to null, that item present in a root node. Means according to this not possible this condition, but here if you number, let's suppose this is your BST, simple BST, and location does not equal to, okay, according to this H is presented according to first line, according to LOC. So LOC does not equal to null, so here it is check this one H is the presented, not null, does not equal to null, so item is present, मतलब H is presented in your BST. And second condition is this parent what, location number, it here the location pointer is hold this address, this presented address, and parent hold the location address. So parent, what is parent, is a parent node of this this presented node. So parent equal to null, it means there no any parent available presented in this BST. So according to this, H is the root node, H is a main node. So according to this, otherwise present anywhere in this. So according to now comes to this tree. Now here the present, here H is present in another location. So now comes to else part. Else item is present anywhere in BST. Yes, H is present in BST in different location. Now comes to the second part of insertion. For according to first insertion, location does not equal to null, means BST have only single node, and parent equal to null means that that insertion node is already presented. It means as a single node, as a root node. Now comes to here. Now location does equal to null. That means location is what? Location holds the address of presented value. So present value in given BST. So if location equal to null, according to this condition, location equal to null, it means item is not presented. Okay, now item is not presented. Up comes to the further properties. So first let's suppose here these are the already point, and now you want to insert any other number. Let's suppose you want to insert M. You want to insert new number, that is M. So according to this, inserted a root node, check is this, it is greater or less, then come to the right side, M, again check M is greater and less to this, again comes to right side, K is working as a simple node, and again check M is greater than and less than to K, M is greater than to K, then it is easily insert M here, right side, and left side is not, so it is comes right side. So this is the insertion algorithm where your location is null and previous location does not equal to null. So insertion is this, simply easily inserted here. Let's suppose again insertion binary in BST, you want to insert a C. You want to insert a new node is C. First of all check location does not equal to C. Yeah, location is this granted. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास does not equal to null नहीं है. So अब here according to this C is not presented in this BST. Now comes to the second part of this C. You want to check here again the parent node. This is called a parent node. Root node compare with new item and check it will come left side or right side. Now check C. So first of all check here C here. So C compare with F. C is less than, it will come to left right subtree. So this part is totally skipped. So now come B. B is greater than and less than. B is a greater than. So it will come to right direction. Left then right, but it is less than to D. So it will come to. So according to this, we can easily insert new node in your BST. So in this lecture, I will discuss only the BST, what is BST, how to construct BST, advantage of BST, and also about the algorithm about searching and insertion in BST. In my next lecture, I will discuss about the traversing in tree in order, pre-order and post-order. So now thank you so much.